Assalamualaikum. Hi, I am Nabbu. What is your name?
Walaikum assalam. My name is Ratia Tahir Meshin. Nice to meet you.
What do you like to do?
I like drawing and singing. How about you?
I like playing football and coloring.
Do you like school?
Yes, school is fun. My school name is EI School. There are many toys and friends. How about the teacher?
Teachers are nice and kind with us. They help us a lot.
Why do you like coming to school?
I like school because I learn new things and play with friends.
What is your favorite subject?
I love English and drawing. And you?
I love math and drawing.
Let's play together after class.
Yes, friends forever.
জীবনের প্রয়োজনে শিক্ষার আয়োজন জ্ঞানের ঝর্ণা ধারায় ঢুকে দিই ফুলের সুবাসে রাঙাতে সবার মন প্রাণের স্বপ্ন ধারায় ঢুকে দিই আহা হা ও লা 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 লা